So this is the syrup category, and you can also select search from here in this text box. Like for example, I want to select Panadol, so you can select it here from here. So it is. Let me explain these things to you. That bonus is something that you want give to our customer for free. So you can set it here, and you can set it the quantity, and as you move there, this will be calculated by itself. So that 300 by 2 is 760, and now the you can select either up because this Panadol comes in a packing, so you can select either packing, the whole packing, or the strip. So you can sell the whole packing or the strip. So if you select the strip, it will calculate the price. So the strip price is 38. So 2 by 2 38 by 76. So you can sell some selling, and you can also uh, add items to cart from this list by double clicking on the items. So it says that the the product is already in the list. You can update the quantity, or you can add another row by it. So you can set it either way. So let's add some more products. These are now we added to the cart list. Now you can receive the payment. So, and you can also save the ticket for temporary if the customer want to, and if the customer intend to buy it later from you, and you temporarily save this ticket. So you can do that as well. So let me save it. So you see that we have now added this to a temporary ticket. So you can see that one pending is there. You can select this from here, and you can also, if you exit the screen and come again to this, it will show in the start that this mm, sale is pending. So you can either easily release the sales or resume the sales. So if you release the sales means that it will delete it, and resume the sales will resume the sale to the screen. So now let's receive some payment. You can either choose from you can select the payment from here, and also you can, if you select the all, it will show all the cash amount. So invoice format, these are some invoice formats that you can print: to general invoice format, print thermal invoice format. It will also thermal invoice format will also you can print it. Like let's see this one. So you see here, this is the invoice format, and you see all of the details in here. So now this we sold some products. So now let's come to the dashboard, and you see that and this date we have made some transaction, and in February we made some transaction, and the best seller, you can see that Panadol is the most selling product, and besides that you can generate barcode as well. So you can set, these are the barcodes, and you can set the quantity from here, that how many barcodes you want to print up each item, and which print option you want to print. So let's select print barcode, and we will be using Microsoft XPS Viewer. So these are the barcode printing option, and if you want to sell by add large, So you can choose either of one. So this is the, and also this is the report center, so you can see the daily sales by invoice. This is the daily sale, and you can self-read excels from start date to end date, so you can see that as well. And besides that, this is the payment. Payment is you can, this is mostly used for the customer, so you can set, we don't have any customer yet, we didn't sell anything on the customer. Best sellers is the, is which product is the most selling products will also be showing over here. It will show the most selling products here. And this is the cash drawer report, but we it doesn't have anything yet because we didn't close any um, cash drawer. So profit loss statements, you can see that as well. And this is the payment. User can select the waves. This, if customers buy something from you and the credit, you can select its name and it will show the customers invoices and its payments. And you can then receive the payment from the customers from here. You can also purchase them. You can also purchase, make the purchase order from here. So uh, you can select the uh, supplier from here, and then you can search items from here like hemoxil, hemoxil phenol. Okay, now this is the batch product, so they say that enter a batch. Okay, so now let's add this. Now let's save it. New order is saved, and now we need to commit this order because this sale will be confirmed by committing. So now it is committed. Now you can receive the items from the supplier here. So you can receive the item and the stock received successfully. Okay. So now you can see that the it is showing the pending, but it is actually processed. This order is now processed. So you can make order purchase orders from here. You can view the existence from here. So these are the order that you received, and you can also delete it. And this is the invoices. So you can. This is the invoices. Let me show some. Let me sell some things on the customers. So you can choose quick sale as the counter sale, and existing customers you can select the customer from here. So it was Iqbal that we entered, and now you can sell something on Iqbal, and let's receive this payment from him, and let's forget it. Let's you can sell this on credit. So it says that credit allowed to this customer is 3,000. So if this amount was more than 3,000, the software wouldn't allow you to do so because you limited this customers to 3,000. So now we are selling these products to this customer on credit. So now save this, and you can, now let's come to this payment here. So you can select Iqbal here, and you see that the amount of this invoice is at 180, and it was bought from us on credit, so it is a credit type credit. So now you can